Hey there, Titans. In this video, I'll show you how to add your file from FormTitan into a library in Salesforce. So we have a library of a few libraries here, and what we would like to do is upload an attachment from FormTitan and add it to one of these libraries. So let me show you first how what it does, and then I will explain how I got this done. So we'll select our attachment and select my library and submit. And if I'll head back to my library, give it just a second, and my library, and here is my file, my uploaded file. And now let's dive into it and I'll show you what I've done here. So we start off with a push, simple push. We're creating a content version with a simple mapping. We map the title just statically to my uploaded file, version data to my file upload element, and the first published location ID, which is the parent ID, into my account ID hidden, which in this instance is a static ID. So this will create your file. And now, after we create the file, we need to do something to get the content document. So after we've created the file and we run the file creation by this Salesforce action, and once the Salesforce action runs, we're returning the content version ID into our content version ID hidden. And once we have that, we're running a get for the content document. So let's just take a look at our condition. So we're getting the content document, which is we're getting it by the latest published version ID, which is basically the content version ID. And we're matching it into our hidden, the content version ID that we received back after our insert. And after we have that hidden filled up, so now we have the content document ID, which is what we need. So I've set up a condition here, and again, you can solve this as you like. This is just a quick demonstration. So I've set up a condition that says if my current field is not empty, the content document ID is not empty, then I would like you to run a Salesforce action. And Salesforce action that I'm running is a creation of content document link, which is what links your file to your library. So let's take a look at my content document link push. So I'm going to click edit and this simple action create, and let's take a look at our mapping. So we need to map just two fields. So it's the linked entity ID, which is my find libraries, which holds the ID of the library that we want to relate the file to, and then the content document ID, which is our content doc ID hidden. And then share type, you can take a look at the SOAP API reference of what it does. In this instance, I used I, and the visibility I've set up to all users, just statically. And once you have all that information, you can create your content document link, which links your file into your library, and then it will show up in the library you have selected. And this is how it's done.